Oh, I got one. The heck? Right in front of me, dude. Oh! Alright. Now I can start to set my intro. Jeez, relax. Dude, this guy's so beat up. Oh my gosh. Alright, boys and girls. Let me just get this light on. Holy brightness. Welcome back to another episode of Fishing with DA. Late intro, but I promise you guys, it's been a good night, right? I made a pit stop here, hang out with my buddy Aiden. It's been a while since I've seen him, and we're out here smacking walleyes. Surprisingly, I didn't think it was gonna be this good, but it's been really good. Look at this guy.
Oh,
look at that, guys. He's all screwed up, but it's a nice looking dinosaur walleye. Again, we're just out here fishing for fun. We're not keeping anything. We caught multiple fish already. Again, late intro. I'm not gonna spoil it. There you go. We're gonna release them. So catch and release. Let's hold a picture right here. And we're doing some night walleye fishing. Ah! Alright guys. Catch and release. Cheese. Alright. I got one. Yep, right on the paws. I got him. Yeah, right in the hole. Let's go, buddy. That's a nice walleye, dude. Here we go. Yes, sir. Well, that's why I went to Walmart. Pick up pliers. Good job, David. No, it's in a boat. Yeah, everything's in a boat now, man. When you have a boat. Everything's in there. Yeah, dude, they're so freaking feisty, man. There we go. Nice fish. Going back. It's kind of dark, you guys can't see it, so see ya. Got him. Yep. Dude, wrecked it. I got it. Yeah, I got him. Just keeper size. Nice keeper right here too. You guys can't see it. Let me get my phone camera on. I'll get some light for you guys. You got the light? Alright, I'll let Aiden do the honor. There we go, boys. Another nice keeper.
hell yeah.
Going back.
Yep.
See ya.
There we go.
Oh, got one right there. Yep. Dude, that's a nice one, dude. Oh my gosh. That's a really nice one. Oh, I got him. He just snaked sideways, that's all. Oh, there we go. Yep. It's another 16, 17. I say 16. He hit sideways, that's why. My boy hit me sideways. Let's hope so. Dude, he wrecked it so hard. Like, I thought it was a giant, yeah. He wrecked it really, really hard. Oh, got another one. Oh, back to back, dude. Dude, let's go. Right there, look at that guy. Let's go, dude. Oh my gosh. It's a lot big. Oh, dude, he's a lot bigger, actually.
I got one.
You got one? Yeah, I got you. Yeah, go right there. Oh, jeez. All right, here we go. Look at that, boys.
Doubles.
16-incher. Going back.
Having fun.
See ya. Hold on, dude. Hold on. Let him work it. It's probably in the weeds. Huh? Yeah, we're good. Don't worry, that's 12 pounds. Dude, that might be a big one, bro. Sure it's not a muskie?
Big.
Is it dogging?
No, it's like dead weight.
Oh my gosh, dude.
Oh, it's not that big.
It's just snake sideways. It's a good one. No, it's still good fish. Here, right here. Oh yeah, that's a really nice one, dude. Oh, that's a 20. Bro, watch out. Oh, jeez. I got you. Watch the rod. Yeah, I got you. That's a 20 right there, dude. Oh, keep your line up. Right. Ugh. That's a big one, dude. Holy smoke. That's a nice fish. Yeah, you good. Go ahead, grab him. I got the light on it. It's not going nowhere, bro. Look at that middle hook. Dude, let's go. My boy Aiden. Dude, that's a tank, bro. Oh my gosh.
That's
dude, fist bump. Let's go, bro.
Let's go.
That's a tanker.
Look at that.
Careful, yeah.
Middle
See
hook.
that middle hook again, yep.
Yep.
Dude, what's a fatty?
That's a good one
Right there, dude. Jeez. Nice eye by Aiden. Going back.
Going back. Here we
Good
go.
stuff, bro.
Let's get the release on this
Yep.
big girl.
That's a tanker, dude. That's quality right there. Wow.
That's what you want.
Oh,
Oh.
off she goes. Yep, she's gone. Good stuff, dude.
All right. Good stuff.
Got him. Yeah, it's not big. Way out there, dude. Damn, he inhaled it. Holy cow. This guy freaking inhaled it, dude. There you go. Little guy. See, isn't this fun? Got him. Yeah, it's not big. Way out there, dude. Damn, he inhaled it. Holy cow. This guy freaking inhaled it, dude. There you go. Go, dude. Big one? Dude, that's a good fish.
Oh yeah.
What I tell you, bro? That's a good fish, dude.
Oh my god. It's
That's what I'm telling you.
hell yeah. Just
Good job, Daddy. Big difference, right?
Yeah. Feels good.
Mm-hmm. Ooh, that's a nice one. No, that's a really nice one, bro. Yep, that's a 20.
Hell yeah, baby.
All right, bring it in. That's a oh, that's a nice one, dude. That's a 20. Right here. No, good. Yep. I got you. It's not going anywhere. Oh, popped off. No, it didn't pop off. Sorry, it hit the rocks. That's why. Oh shit, I'm falling in. No, I'm good. I got it. Right there. Yep, into the pool right there. We go.
Good one.
That's a really nice one right there. I'll help you out. Yeah, look at that big one.
That's sick.
Dude, good stuff,
The
man.
video with the jerkbait and small
Yep.
stuff. That's so cool.
Hey, what you got there, man?
Big old walleye.
Nice.
Oh god, I'm falling.
Okay.
I'm back.
Going back.
Just gonna let her breathe here for a little bit.
That's a nice female right there.
Look at that stomach.
Look at the belly on that thing. Woo. Good job, Aiden.
Alright, ready?
Yep, I'm ready when you are.
Here she goes.
See ya.
Cool.
Good job. He's so pissed. Wrecked? No.
Dude, it went.
Yep. They're snatching it.
He's on.
He's on? He came back. He came back. That's cool, dude.
Came back.
Nice.
Oh, it's actually not cool.
No, it's actually good, dude. It's a good fish.
Not bad.
Oh, that's a really good fish. Oh, daddy. That's a good fish, bro. Don't lose it. Bring it to the live well. That's a good fish.
Live well.
Dude, that's a good fish, dude. That's like the same size.
Oh, yeah.
Nice, dude. Let's go.
Go.
He came back and
back
wrecked
for
it. Yeah, he came back and T-boned it. That's crazy. Good stuff, man. Hell yeah. Freaking Aiden, dude. You're just killing it today. Huh? Good stuff, man. Careful. Oh, good job, daddy. Yeah, he'll do that. Yeah, he'll go the other way. Nice, dude. Yep, they're feisty. See ya.
See ya.
So yeah. You know? And no, probably younger. Probably when I was like 10 or 12 years old. Oh, I got one. That's a big one. Just kidding. Yeah, to the live well. Oh yeah. There we go. It's a nice mill.
Dude, he hit hard as hell.
Oh, he hit really hard. He like peeled it.
You got it?
Yeah, you got it. He wrecked it.
It's probably 16.
This? Oh no, this is like.
Oh, 16 is a nice.
Oh yeah. Relax. Yeah, these fish right there, they're so feisty and ready to go. You just toss them back, man. They're tough fish. So.
Yep.
Alright guys, so audio's probably like weird right now because I don't have the mic on. It was a good night. Good night with Aiden. Made a pit stop. Just hanging out with my boy Aiden. It's been a while since we fished together, and we just decided to hit up the walleyes you can see in the video, and it was pretty cool. It was fun. Had a lot of fun. I didn't expect it to be this good. It actually turned out to be really good. So nothing much to say. I'm actually crashing in my 4Runner right now, so I'm sleeping in my car. It's not too cold. Like it's 30, 35 degrees, but it's not windy or anything. I'm like behind a building, and yeah, I don't know. I'm gonna crash out here for tonight, and thank you guys for watching. So with that being said, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Hit that thumbs up. Leave some comments down below. Don't forget to subscribe because YouTube's been shadow banning me, and a lot of people have been telling me that they haven't been getting my notification when I drop a video. So make sure you guys subscribe, hit that bell, and I'll see you guys next time.